Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some exciting last minute holiday gifts and these will still arrive in time for the holidays. I will link everything in the description below, and I have another exciting unboxing for you. I just got the exclusive limited edition holiday gift for Dior Platinum members. This was complimentary. I just got an email letting me know that the Dior holiday gift for Platinum members was available. So I logged into my account and it was already in my cart ready to check out. I didn't even have to make a purchase. I was just able to check out and I got this exciting gift. You might have already seen me post it in my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on there. It's at Heated Mess. That's where I first post these exclusive gifts and gifts with purchase and deals and sales and steals. So make sure you follow me on there, and then also make sure you follow me here on YouTube because I also post to my YouTube community tab whenever I have a new promo code or anything that I wanted to share with you guys. But I will unbox this for you. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below. I'll also link where you can sign up for the Dior Beauty Prive loyalty program. It's free to join, and with every purchase you make, it tracks your points and your purchases so that you get some exclusive benefits and perks like your birthday gift or these exclusive holiday platinum gifts. Right now, all Dior Beauty orders are shipping with their exclusive holiday packaging, and it is so beautiful. I love how pretty and beautifully gift wrapped everything is already. So you can just go ahead and ship this to the recipient. You don't have to worry about gift wrapping it or anything. It already comes pre-gift wrap. You can choose this complimentary beautiful gold holiday gift wrapping at checkout. Depending on what you order, it might come in this gift box. They also have the larger Dior gift box with the white and gold holiday ribbon. And I love these boxes because I like to reuse these to, organize my closets and whatnot. In addition to complimentary shipping, you can also choose a complimentary personalized gift message with your order. And every order comes with complimentary beauty samples of your choice at checkout. I also have an exclusive promo code. If you use the code MAGICQ4 at checkout with your $130 Dior Beauty order, you'll get an exclusive gift. And all orders over $100 come with another bonus deluxe miniature of your choice. They are packaged in this really cute little Dior pouch. I like to use these pouches also to organize, all the stuff, odds and ends inside my tote bags. You can choose a deluxe miniature. I usually choose the fragrance. So here is a Dior Prive Amber Nuit deluxe mini. It's a little tiny miniature bottle of their Prive fragrances. They have a few different options. So I usually choose the fragrance. I'll choose the Prive fragrance, or if they have the men's cologne. Dior Sauvage is one of my husband's favorite colognes. Another mini I like to choose if they have it available is this really tiny little baby Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. This is just so cute to stick in a little clutch or even a wallet. Like, I can fit this in a wallet, and I'll show you later on how you can use this. Depending on what you order, Dior also offers engraving at checkout, so you can get some makeup products like eyeshadow palettes or fragrance bottles or the cologne caps engraved with your initials or your full name. That's another option that is exclusive to Dior.com. So I will link everything in the description below. But one of my favorite things to gift during the holidays are their exclusive Dior holiday gift sets, especially these gift sets that, again, even the outer packaging has the really pretty gold Dior gift wrapping. This is the Pink Glow Ritual. This is what it looks like on the back. And inside you get this beautiful gold glittery Dior makeup bag. Even the zipper pulls have the exclusive Dior CD and the Dior star logo charms. It's a double zip. And what I love about these bags is they're very well made. They have this gusset on the side, on both sides. And what is a pet peeve of mine with these makeup bags sometimes, especially this dome style, is when you zip it open on the sides, if they don't have that gusset, then sometimes your contents will spill out. So I love that they have this little extra touch. I just love that they have this little extra step to make their complimentary gift bag reusable and really well made for your future use and future travel. But inside of this little makeup pouch, you get my favorite Dior Lip Glow Oil. This is in the shade pink. And then you also get the Dior Rosy Glow blush in the matching pink. These are two of their best sellers. I'm wearing it on my lips right now. I have a little liner underneath, but I can usually just wear it bare. It's very hydrating. It's not greasy or slippery. It just feels very moisturizing. And then I'm wearing the blush on my cheeks today on top of my highlighter. That is the blush. You can see, I love that it even has the Dior oblique pattern on there. And that's what it looks like. For me, on my skin tone, it is a very brightening blush. So I like to mix it in almost as like a blush topper mixed in with highlighter. Actually, I have two blushes on. So I have this blush, and then I also have the new Rouge Blush Contour and Glow in the shade Riviera. I love these little duos because it has either the blush and highlight or the blush and contour. So this is the shade Dior Riviera. This is more like a corally blush. I really like this on my skin tone. And then I have the highlighter on my cheeks, and then I have it on my brow bone and like my inner corner. So these are just like great little duos. So I have these two kind of mixed on my face today. But going back to the gift set again, this is the Pink Glow Ritual. They all come with this in the outer packaging box, and then they all have the gold glittery metallic makeup pouch. If you're not into lip gloss or lip oil or blushes, they have a few different sets. There's some skincare sets, and they also have like one with a hand cream. I think it's this hand cream, which I also have. This is the Dior Le Balm hand cream. I love this hand cream because it has a top that just kind of pops open on a hinge, and so it doesn't get messy. It doesn't get lost, the cap, like in your purse. You can just kind of stick this in your purse, and it just stays there. It's very moisturizing. So this is the hand cream that comes with the gift set, although it might have sold out. So I will link everything again below, depending on what's sold out. They are selling out pretty quickly. There are some still available, so I will link and keep you guys updated if they do restock. But again, they have a few different options. The Pink Glow Ritual has the lip oil and the blush. They have the hand cream set. They have the skincare set. I'll link whatever is available. Speaking of hand cream, by the way, this makes a great stocking stuffer if you're looking for just a little something to stuff in their stocking. They have the hand cream. This is the original. And then they also have the new J'adore version. So it's a little different. This is just solid. It doesn't have the oblique pattern on the top and bottom. And it's in gold versus the black. J'adore is one of my favorite Dior fragrances. So if you are a fan of J'adore, or if you are looking for a gift to someone who wears J'adore, the ancillary products like the, if they have like a bath gel or soap or a hair mist or a hand cream, it's a great way to extend the longevity of your fragrance. So this is a great option in addition to the regular hand cream that is available with this set in a few different options. Another one of my favorites from the Dior Holiday Collection is their iconic eye makeup eyeshadow palette, and this is specifically in the smaller size. They do make a larger size, which I think they call the clutch, which comes with like face products and also lip products. This is exclusively just the eye makeup palette, and it also has a very pretty gold holiday packaging. It shows you on the back what it looks like, and inside you get the eyeshadow palette in, again, the very pretty, beautiful gold packaging. It is very sturdy, and then it has this cool Christian Dior like locking closure mechanism on a hinge. And what I love about this palette, you guys, is first of all, it's very affordable for what you can transform this into. It has a mirror at the top, and these are the eyeshadow palettes in this insert with a very nice set of neutral eyeshadow colors. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today. I have the lighter color on my brow bone, this on the crease, and then this darker shade on my lash line. It has a little eyeshadow brush, but what I love about this is removable. So this insert completely pops out, and what I like to do with this holiday eyeshadow palette is use this as a card case because it is the perfect size for a stack of credit cards. The cards go right here on the side, and then remember that lip maximizer I showed you earlier? You still have room to pop it in right there. So you have this handy dandy, nifty locking card case for under, I don't even know what this costs. I think the retail is $87 or something. So for under $100, you get these 5 Dior eyeshadows, you get an eyeshadow brush, and this locking Dior holiday card case. And then lastly, for those who have not already seen it, this was the exclusive holiday gift for the Dior Platinum members. I was so excited when I saw that this was available. I ran to check out, and it arrived, and look how stunning this is. This is the most beautiful snow globe I have ever seen. I don't know if I would call myself a snow globe collector, but I do appreciate luxury snow globes. And seriously, this is the most beautiful one. This is the most beautiful snow globe I've ever seen. And this was complimentary just from my purchases throughout the year and just from being a loyal Dior Beauty customer. So I got to check this out. Here it is. It has Dior inscribed there. By the way, this is very, very heavy. This was packaged very well. Such a beautiful gift and a beautiful thank you. You have the CD. I guess it's a sun. I don't know. It goes all the way around, the little gifts. Same thing on the other side. Okay, here. Let's let the magic happen. So the snow is white and little gold glittery flecks. And it is so beautiful. This will have a forever home on my vanity. Actually, I don't know where I'm going to put this. On my dresser, on my vanity, on the fireplace. Very pretty. I am so excited. I waited for years for a Dior Snowglobe and they really just knocked it out of the park. I'm so excited that I was able to receive this as a gift from Dior. All right, guys, so that is the beautiful Dior Snowglobe, the loyalty gift for their platinum members. Let me know if you received this holiday gift this year. Let me know how this stacks up with other snow globes in your collection if you're a snow globe collector like me. But these are just some of the last minute holiday gifts. Again, a ton of different options with the gold gift sets. You get a complimentary makeup bag and some stocking stuffers, and they all come beautifully gift wrapped with beautiful complimentary holiday gift wrapping and complimentary shipping and additional complimentary gifts with my code MAGICQ4 with your $130 beauty order. So let me know if you plan on gifting anything from Dior for yourself or for your family members. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.